Managing your finances as an eBay seller is essential to grow your business. Proper accounting helps to ensure compliance with tax laws and gives you insight to make smarter decisions. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 frequently asked questions about eBay accounting so you can have confidence in your numbers, whether you're just starting out on eBay or adding it as an additional sales channel to your e-commerce business. Let's dive in. FAQ number 1. How do I record eBay payouts? A common mistake sellers make is recording the entire payout as sales, but eBay payouts include more than just revenue. There are shipping fees, eBay fees, taxes collected on your behalf, all bundled into one deposit. If you report the full payout as income, your financial reports will be inaccurate, which can affect your profitability analysis and tax filings. To record payouts accurately, it's important to categorize each part of the payout. So recognize the amount from product sales as sales revenue. Record eBay fees separately as a business expense. Treat shipping income as income, but record it separately from sales income. And ensure you capture and account for any taxes eBay collects and remits under Marketplace Facilitator rules. FAQ number 2. How do I record eBay fees? eBay charges various fees, including final value fees, listing fees, promotional fees, and payment processing fees. These expenses add up quickly and impact your margins. If you don't categorize them properly, you can risk underestimating your expenses and overstating your profits. Each type of fee should be categorized appropriately in your accounting software under its relevant expense category. For example, final value fees could be listed under selling fees or marketplace fees. Listing fees might be grouped with advertising and marketing expenses. Payment processing fees belong under payment processing expenses or merchant fees. If you use A2X to help with your eBay accounting, A2X will create the default chart of accounts for you. FAQ number 3. Does eBay collect tax or VAT? Yes, but whether eBay collects sales tax or VAT on your behalf depends on the type of transaction and the jurisdiction involved. Under Marketplace Facilitator rules, eBay is responsible for collecting and remitting sales tax or VAT on qualifying transactions made through the platform. This applies in many regions, including the US, Canada, the EU, and other countries with marketplace tax laws. These rules shift the burden of tax collection from the seller to the marketplace, simplifying compliance for the transactions. However, you still have important tax obligations. Even when eBay collects and remits your tax, you must report your total sales in your tax filings, which ensures transparency and compliance with local tax laws. This is especially important since your reported sales may need to align with what eBay reports to the tax authorities. Additionally, not all transactions fall under Marketplace Facilitator rules. For example, some cross-border transactions may not be covered, depending on the buyer's location and applicable tax laws. If you sell on other platforms or directly through your own website, those sales may be handled separately, including tax collection and reporting. And some types of goods or services may fall outside the scope of facilitator tax rules and require separate management. To stay compliant, it's important to maintain accurate records of all your sales. This includes documenting which transactions eBay handled tax for and which ones require you to collect or remit the tax yourself. Failing to do so can lead to underreporting penalties or audit issues. FAQ 4. How do I get my eBay transaction data into my accounting software? Accounting software such as QuickBooks, Xero or Sage can be incredibly helpful as your eBay sales grows. However, it's also important to think about how you'll get your eBay transaction data into your accounting software. Without a seamless connection, sellers often resort to manual data entry or importing spreadsheets, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. This can lead to discrepancies in your books and make reconciliation more difficult. The good news is that A2X is an application designed to solve this problem. A2X acts as the missing link between eBay and your accounting software. When paired with QuickBooks, Xero or Sage, A2X automatically pulls in eBay transactions and breaks down lump sum payouts into sales, revenue, eBay fees, shipping charges, taxes collected by eBay, and other relevant transactions. This ensures that all parts of your transactions are accurately categorized, making it easy to reconcile your payouts with your bank statements. Instead of manually sorting through deposits, A2X simplifies reconciliation by showing exactly what's included in each payout. With just a few clicks, you can post these summaries to your accounting platform, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. FAQ number 5. Do I need an accountant for my eBay store? Even with software in place, working with an accountant or bookkeeper can save you time and money. eBay accounting is more complex than accounting for a brick and mortar business, especially with marketplace facilitated taxes, fees, and inventory tracking. An accountant familiar with e-commerce can ensure compliance, keeping your books in order, and offer insights to grow your business profitability. They'll also make sure taxes collected by eBay are reported correctly and help you avoid costly mistakes. Click on the link in the description to access A2X's e-commerce accountant directory to find an eBay accountant who can help you out. With the right tools and export help, you can confidently manage your eBay accounting. Tools like A2X make it easy to sync your transactions and keep your records accurate. If you need professional guidance, the A2X e-commerce accountant directory can connect you with the right experts. Good accounting is the foundation for every successful eBay business. If you need help getting started with your eBay bookkeeping, contact the A2X team at contact@a2xaccounting.com.